Qwidgets currently integrates data from three major exchanges, Kalshi, Polymarket, and PredictIt, with more on the way. We provide a very basic interface to locate active markets, although it's kind of a work in progress that should improve significantly in the weeks to come. In the meantime, it's still an effective way to identify interesting events to trade based on their category, tags, and text search. The event landing page offers an overview of the event, including a chart, a table of markets, and a listing of related events. You can navigate between these events until you find something interesting to dig into. There are Share to Workspace buttons placed around various elements in the platform so that you can add a widget to a workspace in progress. Or, if you want to create a new workspace for this specific event, you can choose that option. This provides a default view that selects the charts for all immediately related events, although you can pick and choose the specific events and widgets you want to include. If we go ahead and accept the default configuration here, we'll immediately start off with a robust and flexible starting point for exploring opportunities associated with this event. You can customize this as needed by adding, removing, or modifying widgets however you prefer. You can also include widgets from different exchanges to monitor data side by side. And of course, if you link your account, you can add account-based widgets so that you can trade. To learn more about working with workspaces, widgets, and prediction account integration, check out those videos. And as always, good luck and good hunting.